Alright guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thank you to Tinashe for sponsoring this video. Anyway, let's get into the box. We have a booklet with their social media on there so you guys can contact them. We have the beautiful wig right here. The wig is well secure. Let's see. Obviously it's a straight wig. I'm excited. Okay, it's a closure and everything is already done, so this is an easy hair. Look at that lace. It feels so good. It's 24 inches. I'm excited. 24 inches straight. It's 5x5 closure, I believe. Yes. The wig have clips. It have an adjustable band, one in the back, and it's a breathable cap. As you guys can see, the lace is pre-bleach, which is good. So this is a beginner friendly wig, as you guys are seeing. Absolutely beautiful. Let's look at the hair itself. So pretty. I'm in love. Look at the lace. Yes, I'm excited. Let's see what other goodies we have with this wig. Alright, so this is the bag with the goodies. Human hair, high quality, best choice. Let's see what's inside. A bonnet, a Tinashe mink lash, invisible cap, hairpin, a edge band, edge brush, some clips. Okay guys, looking crazy, but we are about to install this beautiful wig. I am super excited to wear a straight wig right now that's not gonna be glued on to my head. Why? It's been a while since I wear a straight wig, so that's the first thing. And the second thing is it's glueless. So let's fit this on to see how it fits. Ooh, it is snug. There's gum in my mouth, excuse me. I was just hold on, you're telling me not even the lace needs cutting? I know it's a little bit crazy. It fits away on my head right now, but look, I'm gonna go in and kind of pluck it a little bit. We also need to flat iron up here and straighten the wig, but it's a bit lean as well. It's on the head with no pressure. You feel me? Like, it's snug. It just sits on the head like that. Let's look at the back. Okay, I still haven't tightened the band as yet. Okay, there's two bands around there. What I am going to do is I'm gonna take the wig off again and we're gonna add makeup. The greatest thing is that it is snug. I'm gonna tighten the adjustable band just a little bit, not much. Okay, there we go. And then I'm just gonna add some makeup to the front part of the lace, and that is it. And we're gonna install the wig, do our makeup, boom. It's gonna be super easy. We turn the iron on, and then let's add makeup. I think I want to add foundation, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of foundation. and just brush it across the wig because it's already bleached. I know you guys can't see, but that's also fine. We're just dabbing a little bit on the lace like that. The makeup is on. I did go ahead and tighten the band just a little bit more. Oh, that's so pretty. There is another band that I am going to ensure it is. Okay, I don't think we need to touch it because the way it is snug on the head, we are not gonna touch that one. Okay. We're gonna make this a glueless install, which means all I have to do is style the wig right now. And we're about to do that. Let's start with spraying. We're gonna flatten the top of the wig. And then we're gonna flat iron it. Alright guys, we are done. All we're gonna do right now is flat iron the hair, and that was super easy. We don't need no baby hair because it is perfect, in my opinion. So I'm just gonna take sections, and the wig is light, so really and truly you don't need to do a lot. You don't even have to part it. All you need to do is run the flat iron through the wig. So easy, so simple, so straight. Like I said, this is a 24-inch, and oh, look at that. Being that this is a glueless wig, when you're going to bed, you take it off, put it down, you're good to go. You don't have to worry about going through again. You can be running late. You see that? Like, come on now. It doesn't require a lot. And it is 24 inches. It's super light. The wig is so light. So this part is already done. Let's go over here. You can make baby hair if you want, but if you want something that you're not going to struggle with, like I said, it's super beginner friendly, this wig, so you don't have to worry about your baby hair messing up, because you can do just like this without no baby hair, completely glueless, nothing. Alright guys, this is the final look of the wig. Absolutely love it, can't complain, okay? This wig is everything. It is super straight, bone straight. Let's talk about that. 24 inches, 5x6 closure. Thank you to Tinashe for this beautiful wig. It's snug on my head. I cannot complain. nothing, and it is completely glueless. Look at that. So if you guys look, it is a closure, glueless. We can go ahead and lift this wig up, and it also snug on the head. So I love it. Bone straight, you don't have to do much to it. If you are a beginner, this is the wig for you. You want a straight wig, this is it. Everything will be down in the description, so make sure you check it, the exact wig or their store to choose any wig from. The quality of the hair is amazing as well, so absolutely love it. I want to show you guys the back. We didn't have to go through, all I did was just look at that. The wig is beautiful. I'll see how bone straight, beautiful. It is not too much or too little. It is just perfect, and I love that. 24 inches, so thank you. Make sure you check the description bar. Let's get into the slow-mo so we can see and feel this hair. Alright guys, I had to come back and show you guys the wig. I really wanted to show you. Because look at this. I had on a black outfit, so I know you guys wasn't seeing the detail of that wig. I just had to, because it's so straight, it's so beautiful. Just look at that. See how straight? It is beautiful. To show you guys. So pretty, y'all. And it is completely glueless. You guys know that already. So all you gotta do, wear the wig, take it off, put it back on, and you good. It's so nice, right? Completely glueless. And to be honest, I'm not even wearing braids under my head. The way the wig is snug. So this is it. Just wanted to show you guys how straight, bone straight it is, because I had on a black dress and it was just not giving that vibe. So beautiful wig. Thanks again, Tinashe. Guys, it is a 5x6 lace, okay? Not a 5x5, 5x6 lace. So make sure you get this wig. Ooh, so pretty. See that? How beautiful that is.